JY Electronic Company Limited was established in 2002, which located in Dalian, and we're a supplier who mainly offer PCB manufacturing, component sourcing, PCB assembly service. JY has always dedicated to offer customers with high-precise single-layer, double-layer, multi-layer PCB, LED lighting aluminum PCB, flexible PCB, component sourcing, and PCB assembly, SMT, to offer you the one-stop service. Since the company set up, quality first, customer first philosophy wins the customers widely recognized and a high degree of visibility. After more than 10 years of business development and precipitation, now our production capacity is more than 1 million square meters. Products are widely used in telecommunications, medical equipment, computer, and other fields. Our company has already obtained the ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001-2004, and OSHA's 18001-2007 CQC and UL safety certification. The products comply with the IPC A600F and MIL P55110 standard. We introduce from Panasonic SMT production line that can assemble the SMD BGA precision components. In order to ensure the quality of customer products and also introduction of AOI and X-ray testing instruments. Now our company has become a one-stop supplier of electronic components. We provide PCB design, electronic components purchasing, and PCB assembly. Even packing design turnkey service for customers. Relying on the strict quality management and thoughtful service, we have won the international customers' trust for over 70 countries. Our products are widely used in Intel, Dell, Haier, Gree, BMW, Sumitomo, Nidec, Lenovo, etc., international famous brands. Create value both for customers and the terminal customers. We commit to provide human with safe and reliable electronic products. We are the electronic component suppliers, which is mainly in manufacturing, PCB circuit board, PCB assembly service. With companies set up more than a decade, we are relying on our stable quality and excellent service, received customer widely recognized at home and abroad. With our international business expands, our products are sold to 70 countries and regions. So we know our customer much deeply. When international buyers purchasing components in China faced with many problems, there are hundreds of thousands of even millions of different species electronic components. The suppliers are intermingled because they find it difficult to distinguish good or bad for components. So we enlarge our services. We settled a new location of our company, which is a purchasing agent for foreign customers. From the PCB production, components, resourcing, PCB SMD assembly, to PCB package design. One-stop service will be supplied by us, and will help resolve the real problem at the same time. This production line mainly supply from small to middle quantities and multiple types. We believed that using big factory can produce small quantity products, guaranteed the quality. This is our theory.
All the material will have to go through several checks and tests before being sent into and bringing out of the storage. Materials will be checked and tested by our workers before mass production. We will make samples according to the BOM and assembly file for customers' confirmation. After products are finished, another test process will be conducted, like microchecking and necessary function testing. Test will not be ended here, for there will be another test for quality control before we send them to our customer.
We know the importance of the components, so we must control the quality at beginning. All partners are strictly verified by us. They will check the components upon our standard level. Even so, we will check all components carefully when we've got and we will use microscope to guarantee each component is good. We guarantee each component original, then we can guarantee our product safe and high quality. Now, these production lines are suitable for single variety and yield large production, which composed of high-low structure with that production line. We produce exactly as ISO TS certification to meet with our clients' requirements. Because of our centralized purchasing of components that reduce customers' acquisition costs at the same time, by our factory rigid quality control, the quality of components also get a guarantee. That is to say, we can assure the quality of final products. Obviously, it has also reduced the entire customer's operating cost. After a period of practice, many of our customers have accepted our ideas. Our factory, developed from a previous simple component suppliers, became a sourcing office in China. Also e-business. Now we have become their one division. We are following our company's mission all the time, because our company's mission is to provide a safe and reliable electronic product for human, to provide the most influential one-stop service in PCB industry. To enhance our image of Chinese enterprises, our work philosophy is completely consistent. JY Electronic Company sincerely look forward to cooperating with you.